Hi everybody, this is Olivia from the Alexandrian channel, and this is lesson 2, Embellishments. And this really is going to be a pretty short one because there's not too much to go into. What are embellishments? Well, embellishments are small additions to your composition that are on the letters or very close to the letters of the words or phrases that you're making. Now, there is an exception to them being small, and that is if you have a large canvas or paper that you're working with. You can make them quite detailed, but for me, and I would imagine many others, I tend to work on an 8.5 by 11 or smaller. So most of the embellishments don't have much detail at all, as you can see by some of the pictures I'm showing you. And why would a person use embellishments? Well, for me personally, probably the best reason is because they're fun. They enhance the image itself. But here are some other reasons. They are able to help balance your creation. If you are heavy in one area and light in another area, no matter what the imagery is, embellishments would be good for that. They're also good for color balancing. If you need a certain color that you're lacking in one area, you could put them there. They show expression depending on what it is that you're using. Say if it's a large image and you want a smiley face, well, that's definitely expression. If it's a wedding image and you made little wedding rings for embellishments, there's just all kinds of reasons to use them. And by the way, I am going to try to use a Sharpie this time, because last time when I used the pencil, you could barely see it. Your embellishment could be a recognizable image like a star, a moon, piece of candy, the sun, a flower, a shamrock, or a four-leaf clover. Anything that's simple and that you can make that small and that people can still recognize. Or you can use basic shapes, which is probably what I do most of the time. Most of mine are simple geometric shapes. It has a tendency to make it look kind of like beadwork on a two-dimensional level. Even just solid dots. Say if I did the word candy. I'll have a C here, which is feminine because it's curved. Maybe we'll give it masculine end. Do something like that. Maybe we would make a bold checks for the patterns. We haven't gotten into that yet, but this would help differentiate from the little embellishments we're about to put on. Okay, so we're going to do the word candy. I won't finish the entire word. But I wanted to make the point. Okay. So say you wanted to have a lot of fun here. You could put embellishments in the bottom of your C that would end up making it look kind of like a bowl of candy, which would be fun, kind of a play on words. But there, so you can have an idea. But that's really all there is to it. As I've mentioned in prior videos, that this type of lettering is very easy. Anybody can do it. And the embellishments part is a really good example. It's just very easy. You look and you see where you think you might want to add an embellishment and just put it in there, or put them in there. If you liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you push the like button. If you haven't subscribed and would like to subscribe, I would really like for you to subscribe. And I would really like comments if there's anything that you would like for me to do a video on, or anything that you would like for me to elaborate on. And I guess that's pretty much it until the next video. And in this series, it will be about patterns. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.